sun don't shine when you're not near. I don't feel like I do when you're with me. It felt like suddenly our souls collided, hearts entwined. When I decided to make you mine, I'm never going back. I know that's a fact, but how do I know if it's love that I'm speaking of? This is love if I'm making you breakfast. This is love if I feel myself coming down and you're not around. This is love if I think I've gone crazy. This is love if it seems I don't care at all. That your love hit me like a cannonball. I used to worry about my options, worry about my options. Yeah, I used to think too much. I think too much.
Okay, I just did my makeup. Also, yes, also my living room's a mess. I need to clean it up. Oakley tore up a toy. Nothing new. But really quickly, I wanted to talk about PMD, and I wanted to thank PMD for sponsoring today's video. So you guys just saw me use this product doing my morning skincare routine. This is the PMD Clean Pro RQ, and I have been using this every other day in my skincare routine. It's to just really deep clean my face. This thing's incredible. It exfoliates, it's good for moisturizing, it really does it all. When I started trying this product, I was hesitant on it breaking me out, but it has not done that. It has just really deep cleaned my face and actually made it better. I feel like my pores are always clean, and you know, my skin's exfoliated, it's clean, and I absolutely love that. It's so good for in the morning before I do my makeup, because I feel like it really creates the best canvas for my makeup, so I've been loving that. Like I said, it's for exfoliating and moisturizing. It's for everything. So this side is the exfoliating side. It has this button for different vibration settings. And this side is the rose quartz side. This is made out of real rose quartz, and there's this button to activate the warmth, which is crazy and so cool when you're putting moisturizer on to really activate your skincare. It's crazy. It feels so nice putting on my serum and moisturizer with this and just getting that nice exfoliation beforehand. This product is a 10 out of 10. It's amazing. This is a cordless and rechargeable item, so you never have to repurchase it or get batteries. You guys can tap the link in my description box below. Use my code MESSLERPMD for 40% off of your new favorite skincare tool. So definitely check it out. And now let's get into the vlog. We're doing so much fun stuff today. As you guys saw, I put in my Christmas tree, so we're gonna do some other decorating. I've been waiting because I wanted to film it, but I did put the Christmas tree up. It's rude. Okay. I put my Christmas tree up because I actually found it at Home Goods. So it was not in a box. So I was with my mom and we got it, and then we just brought it in and set it up because it was out and about. So Christmas tree is up and I'm obsessed. So I've collected a bunch of Christmas decor. So we are gonna set that up, and I also want to go to Hobby Lobby to get a hot glue gun and some other Christmas stuff because I'm gonna DIY my wreath. We'll talk about that more later when I'm going to do it. But I also kind of want to go to Starbucks and get breakfast because I'm hungry and I have like no breakfast food. I need to go to the grocery store, but it's Friday and I'm like, Fridays are not for the grocery store. So I think me and Riley are actually gonna go on a little date tonight and get out to eat. So I'm like, I'm just gonna get something. It sounds so bad. Hey, can you not do that? Can you not be insane? I'm gonna go get dressed. I'm still in my pajamas and we're gonna go. I'm dressed. Got this really flowy sleeved shirt on and leggings, and Converse, and I got the extra camera in case this one dies, but we're gonna go because I'm so hungry. So we're gonna go to Starbucks, get food and a drink, and then I normally want to leave the house. It's kind of messy in here. Normally would pick up really quick before I leave, but I'm hungry, so we'll clean up. Look, which camera am I filming out of? That's literally, my brain just went boom from what I was talking about, but we'll straighten up the house when we get home. But I'm hungry. We gotta eat, so we are gonna go to Starbucks and go to Hobby Lobby and all that fun stuff. This is the outfit of the day. Look at this messy living room. Ugly. He destroyed that right there. But look at the Christmas tree. I'll show you guys better when it's freaking clean in here. But isn't it just beautiful? Bye, buddies. Be good. I love you. I'll see you in a little bit, okay? I'll see you in a little bit. I'll see you in a little bit. I'll see you in a little bit. So like I said, Starbucks is the first stop. We're gonna go get a double smoked bacon, egg and cheese sandwich, and I saw a drink on TikTok, which is so random. I actually got their holiday drinks are out, by the way. I actually got one yesterday, but I didn't drink the whole thing, so I don't want to waste. I'll probably get a tall, but then I saw this drink. It's a strawberry frappuccino with sugar cookie syrup instead of classic, and it's like supposed to be like strawberry sugar cookie deliciousness. Either I get that, or yesterday I got a iced sugar cookie latte thing with peppermint cold foam on top, which was good, but I didn't drink the whole thing, so I don't want to waste it again because holiday drinks are not cheap. So I have a little bit to think about it, and then I'll see you at Starbucks and let you know what I decide. We're at Starbucks, and I think I decided on coffee instead of the frappuccino, just because I feel like that frappuccino will be very sweet and almost milkshakey, if that makes sense. So I don't think I want that right now. That would be like a dessert, but I'm gonna get a tall iced sugar cookie latte with peppermint cold foam on top of it, or the toasted white mocha. Oh, hold on. No, I'll get the cookie one, I think. And then the sandwich, which I'm so excited about because I'm so hungry. Okay, sandwiches look, I'm so hungry. Sandwich, the whole order is ordered now. I got the drink, I got the sugar cookie latte iced with peppermint cold foam. The peppermint cold foam is just like Christmas, Merry Christmas. But no, I don't think that was a sandwich. It's double smoked bacon. I don't know, I like it, but just recently started, like, I've never had a Starbucks sandwich until recently. I got one and I was like, wow, these are actually good. And I normally don't like breakfast sandwiches, like fast food, but I don't know, it's pretty good. I think I like the croissant it's on. It's very tasty. Here she is, trying to record before I start driving, but here she is. Delish. It looks so good. Okay, I'm going to Hobby Lobby. Drink in Starbucks. Yummies. I'm at Hobby Lobby. It looks a little busy in the parking lot, so I'm not sure if I'll bring the... There's literal birds on top of my car. Get off. I'm trying to make like DIY, the Anthropologie wreath. You probably saw it on TikTok. It's really cute, but it's like a gajillion dollars. I love Anthropologie, but they're so expensive. So I got a wreath from Target for $20. It's flocked with pine cones on it. It's very simple. And then I got little houses at Target, the $5 section. They're little like cute wood, lightweight houses, Christmassy ones. So now I need ornaments or little trees or something, or both, to pizzazz the wreath. And I'm gonna glue it all on there. Hopefully it comes out cute. We're gonna go in. Got my Starbucks. It's very tasty. This is the order if you wanna like see it and get it. You can pause and picture that or whatever. Tastes like Christmas in a cup. So, okay, I'm going into Hobby Lobby. You guys will get a freaking haul afterwards.
But with you, I forget my worries. Behind me, they can't touch me now. Yeah, that's how. I know if it's love that I'm speaking of.
Opening quarter of the game.
This is love if I'm making you breakfast. This is love if I feel myself coming down. You're not around. This is love if I think I've gone crazy. This is love if it seems I don't care at all. That your love hit me like a cannonball. When you're not here, the sun don't shine. When you're not near, I don't feel like I do when you're with me. It felt like suddenly our souls collided, hearts entwined. When I decided to make you mine, I'm never going back. I know that's a fact, but how do I know if it's love that I'm speaking of? This is love if I'm making you breakfast. This is love if I feel myself coming down. You're not around. This is love if I think I've gone crazy. This is love if it seems I don't care at all.